Okay, hello everybody. Today I am Jasper. I am your host for today, and we are going to be making brownies, and here are what we are going to use. So here are the ingredients that we are going to need. I will be explaining them further on in the video. So the chemistry here is the oven, by the way. Here we are preheating the oven to 355 degrees, sorry. Here we are pouring in the brownie mix. Pour all of it, who cares, honestly. Next we are going to be pouring the 2 eggs. It doesn't show, but 1/2 of vegetable oil, obviously. Hello. And then next 2 tablespoons of water. So you're gonna want to mix that up. Mix. You do not want to leave it too thick or too perfect. We just want to mix it perfect. Now we are spraying oil into the glass, and we are pouring the brownie mix. So here we are putting it in the oven. So here I am taste testing it. My amazing cooking. I'm gonna give you a 360 just about now. Yep, just right here. Look how beautiful those brownies turned out. And here is me munching on it, and I finished it. It was scrumptious.